Tractor Kentavr 160BN. The Kentavr 160BN tractor is a versatile mini tractor designed for tasks like tilling, hauling, and other farm work, featuring an efficient engine, improved ergonomics, and modern technology for control and safety. Key specifications include a powerful and fuel-efficient engine, an improved seat and controls for comfort, and an ability to use various attachments. While specific details like exact engine size, horsepower, and transmission ratios are not provided in the search results, the tractor is presented as a smart and adaptable machine. Key features: engine, powerful and fuel-efficient engine; ergonomics, improved seat and controls for better operator comfort during long hours of work; versatility, suitable for a range of farm tasks, including tilling and transporting goods, with a wide variety of attachments available; technology, equipped with modern technologies for better control, adjustable operating parameters, and enhanced safety. Specifications: SKU 083209, type tractor, engine power, HP 16 gear 4H2, number of gears 3+1 x2, clutch dual disc, roof presence no, state new.